Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And as we look outside right now, you can see that mix of clouds and sunshine that has developed across the area. As we did begin with the sunshine this morning, but as we've warmed into the low 80s, we have seen those fair weather cumulus clouds develop. And the reason for that is upper level area of low pressure is getting closer to us. And you can see it basically extending right into the Arctic text. This will eventually cut off up here to our north and continue to provide us with, again, a few clouds during the day. Not much as far as any significant rainfall chances, but it will keep temperatures pretty close to normal. Eventually, this is going to move towards the north and east. This big upper level ridge will take its place, and as a result, we will see the continuation of the dry weather, but we will warm up later in the week. Here's a look at the next few days with Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST, and you can see that tonight we're going to be looking at a mostly clear sky with a north to northeasterly wind. Tomorrow, expect that mix of clouds and sunshine. FUTURECAST showing a few spotty showers. The chances of rain tomorrow looking very slim, but can't totally be ruled out, as we'll see, again, a mostly clear sky tomorrow night as we cool off. And then Wednesday, I think another mainly dry day as morning sunshine will give way to an afternoon partly cloudy sky. And then we likely will stay dry for the rest of the week. Here's a look at the longer range prognostication by models, and you can see the upper level low sitting to our northeast. Later on this evening. It'll kind of sit here for a day or so, and then we'll see it lift to the north and east. Here comes the upper level ridge taking its place by the time we get to the weekend. And by the end of the weekend, because of this ridge, highs will likely be pretty close to 90. And notice the disturbance off to our west and northwest. Because of this ridge, all of this energy will move to the north of us. However, it is possible that it could move close enough to us to give us a chance for some rain to close the weekend Sunday night and begin next week. This will push on by, and then another disturbance will float to our north towards the last half of next week, and maybe ending the 10-day period with another chance for some rain. Not looking at a whole lot as far as rain, as models generally showing totals of less than a quarter of an inch for most of us. You can see a little bit heavier totals possible across the northwestern half of the Arctic. In the meantime, forecast for tonight is looking mostly clear. Temperatures pretty close to normal, which is in the low 60s. We will see some 50s across the northern sections of the area. Looking at 62 tonight in Shreveport, 60 in Marshall, 61 degrees in Texarkana. Daytime highs tomorrow with that mix of clouds and sunshine will likely be in the low to middle 80s, including 82 in Texarkana, 84 in Shreveport, and 83 degrees for the high tomorrow in Natchitoches. Longer range, expect that warming trend to begin heading towards the weekend, as we'll see overnight lows that will likely return to the mid to upper 60s. Daytime highs will quickly return to the upper 80s by the time we get to Thursday. Low 90s for Friday and the weekend. Then we'll see that first of two disturbances give us the chance of rain Monday. Another chance for some showers, maybe a few thunderstorms next Thursday, as highs should retreat back to the mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows, again, eventually returning to the mid to upper 60s, and they will likely stay there through most of the 10-day period. So all in all, looks like a dry several days on the way, as we'll likely stay dry through the weekend with a warming trend. Temperatures back up close to 90 by Friday.